Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree, excellent color. A parrot green color, beautiful one. Completely in plain. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is plain in this collection. You see the pallu tassels, very beautifully made on the saree. Excellent color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree collection. Light olive shade, beautiful color, rare one, completely plain. The body, the pallu as well as blouse piece are plain in this collection. With the pallu tassels already beautiful one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection. Very beautiful color here, a rust color almost, rusty orange. Very elegant and different color, almost rust with completely plain concept. Body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece are plain here. With the pallu tassels already made. Excellent one, rare color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree collection in a very beautiful traditional evergreen color. The bottle green color, black and green mix, which gives a beautiful tone. Excellent dark shade saree. The complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece are in same plain bottle green color. The pallu tassels are already made. A very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree collection. Dual tone color. The mango yellow mixed with bright orange to get a beautiful tone. Almost an orange tone, but mild yellow shade is there. Completely plain. You can see the tassels, the mango yellow shade. Tassels are pre-made and pallu and blouse piece is also plain in same color. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. Plain saree collection. Here we have beautiful dual tone color. Dark rusty orange mixed with tussar color to get a beautiful shade. Rust in a pastel format. Very elegant one, completely plain. The pallu, the blouse piece as well as the body is plain here with the pallu tassels already made. Fine, beautiful, different color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. Plain saree collection. The complete saree is plain here. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece. Red saree here, beautiful red. Hot, ever lovable, beautiful shade red color. And we have the pallu tassels already made. Blouse piece is also same red. Excellent color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, plain saree collection, double warp. A very beautiful, complete saree plain here. In a light pastel green. It's a very different green. A pastel shade. Very elegant one. Complete saree. The pallu as well as the blouse piece is plain in this collection. With the pallu tassels already made. Almost 6.3 length it is, meters, with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, plain saree collection, a very beautiful color. The complete saree is plain in this collection. Excellent grey shade. It's a very different, beautiful grey color saree. Complete saree is plain here. The pallu, the blouse piece and the saree is completely plain with the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful and different grey it is. Excellent color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree collection in dual tone color. Here we have a beautiful dual tone. Olive green mixed with light blue color to give a beautiful tone. A blue and green mixed shade. Very elegant and pastel shade all over the saree. The pallu, the body as well as the blouse are in same color. Almost 6.3 meters saree including the blouse piece with the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful saree, excellent color combo with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, plain collection. A very elegant, beautiful plain sarees in a beautiful and always demanded peach color shade. This is a very different and beautiful shade. Kanahambaram shade color. Mild orange and peach mixed color shade it is. Finely weaved beautiful saree. Complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is plain here in same color. A 6.3 meters running saree with very elegant tassels already made. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree collection. The complete saree, pallu as well as blouse piece are plain in this collection. And we have a beautiful dark shade here, black and green mix, bottle green, darker shade, very elegant one. This is the pallu. The pallu tassels are already made with same color plain blouse piece. Very elegant dark shade saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, plain saree collection, dual tone color. Here we have a very different combo color. Ananda blue, light Ananda blue is mixed with light purple to get a beautiful tone here. Purplish blue color, very different, light blue and purple shade, very elegant one. Complete saree is plain here. The pallu tassels already made. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree. Beautiful plain saree collection in an excellent color. Here we have a beautiful and a pastel shade color. Very elegant color this. The sea green or a turquoise mixed color this. Mostly the sea green, the aqua green color. Mild blue tinge in it. Completely in same color. The pallu, the blouse piece as well as the body is in same color. You see the pallu tassels are beautifully made in the saree already. Elegant collection. Beautiful and classy looking saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very new launch. After the success of a plain, we are launching a striped plain pattern. Only in the borders, we have horizontal tri-layer stripes, small but beautiful copper zari stripes in the just about 3 inches. The stripes are done in both sides of the border. Very elegant color. The mild kaluthu blue and green mix, peacock neck blue and green mix color. The completely plain version, only the border design is added, and the pallu and blouse piece also have the same border design running in it. The pallu tassels are already made. Very elegant one, new launch with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful new launch, plain saree with a striped horizontal lines in the saree, just 3 inches above the border. A very elegant copper zari used here. 3 lines, small 3 lines, very elegantly a crafted design. Completely plain except the border striped line. Black color, inkjet black. The pallu and the blouse piece also have the running design and color. The pallu tassels are already made. Majestic black looking saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A plain saree collection with beautiful stripes pattern done in a copper zari. Beautiful border type. So simple stripes, 3 stripes you can see in the horizontal border of the saree, both sides. And the saree here is a beautiful violet shade, a very different and rare color. Beautifully, the complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is the same color with the same design. The pallu tassels are very elegantly made. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A plain saree collection with very elegant 3 stripes pattern in the borders, copper zari work. And here we have a beautiful green color, a pastel sea green color, almost turquoise shade green, very elegant pastel shade with copper zari tri borders which are done in copper zari both sides. Complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same color and same design with the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful color, excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful plain saree collection with a small 3 stripes pattern, copper zari worked borders. Very elegant color, attractive, beautiful pink and red mixed combination. The warp is pink and the warp is red here. Very elegant color, reddish pink with this borders that is in copper zari work, a tri stripes pattern. Very elegantly done all over the saree, and the pallu as well as the blouse piece is also in the same design with beautiful tassels already made. Elegant saree, excellent color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A 3-inch plain collection, complete plain saree. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse is plain in this collection. Here we have a dual tone. Yellow is mixed with blue to get a beautiful tone, and the finishing we get a beautiful green color. Really fantastic pastel shade with the copper zari work borders. Very beautiful border it is, 3-inch border. Pure copper is used for the border weaving here. Complete saree is same color. You can see the pallu, the blouse piece also. The pallu tassels are already made. As I told, it is in the warp is in yellow color. The warp you can see the blue. Excellent shade, pastel saree, hand woven with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection with tissue copper zari borders. Here we have a pastel blue. The saree's warp is half white, cream color mixed with light blue shade to get a very beautiful pastel blue all over the saree with tissue border which is done in 3 inches and it is a copper zari used for the tissue borders. And complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same color with the pallu tassels already made. Beautiful collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a hand woven beautiful plain saree here with a 3 inches copper zari border, a very elegant color. It's a dual tone for the pink lovers. Almost all ladies love pink. Here we have a light baby pink mixed with a candy kind pink, which is giving a beautiful sweet pink tone. Really fantastic color, very attractive one with a 3 inches zari border. It's a tissue border done using original copper zari. A finely hand woven, very beautiful saree. Complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same color and the pallu tassels are already beautifully made. Excellent color with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, a plain saree collection with beautiful 3 inches copper zari border, a complete plain saree. And here we have a dual tone color, a parrot green mixed with brown, a beautiful dual tone, a rare combination, cross color. A really different color we are getting in output. And you can see the borders. The borders is also very beautiful on this color. The complete saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same color and same design. And you can see the pallu tassels, it's already pre-made. Excellent collection, hand woven with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection with very elegant copper zari borders, 3-inch border. The saree here is in beautiful blue, light blue color. Ananda blue mixed with half white to get a beautiful light shade blue with the copper zari borders in both sides. 3 inches tissue copper zari border. All over the saree, the same design continues. Even the pallu and the blouse piece is also having same running concept. The pallu tassels already made. It's a beautiful collection in 6.3 meters and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain collection with beautiful 3 inches copper zari border. So tissue copper border it is. A very elegant color. The saree is a dark shade color, deep olive green mixed with black to get a beautiful tone. You can see the finish of the saree. It's a fine finish, beautiful color, dark tone too. And you can see the copper zari is looking really fantastic on this dark tone. Original copper used. 3 inches border. All over the saree, the same concept comes even in the pallu as well as in the blouse piece. Plain pallu. And we have the tassels which is already made very elegantly with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a beautiful plain collection with a 3-inch zari border, copper zari used here. The color of the saree is a beautiful purple, excellent purple shade, proper purple color in a dark version, very beautiful one with 3 inches copper zari border. Border is also beautifully done, completely a beautiful hand woven, excellent saree. The body, the pallu as well as the blouse piece have the same concept with the pallu tassels already. Elegant color with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful plain saree collection with 3 inches border. The border is done using copper zari here, original copper used for weaving the border. And we have a beautiful pink shade color for the saree. Very elegant, always demanded pink it is, plain pink. The complete saree is hand woven. You can see the finish of the saree. It's a premium quality soft silk with the pallu as well as the blouse piece is also in the same body color with the borders. The pallu tassels are beautifully done. You can see the pallu tassels. Elegantly it's been done with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a plain saree collection with beautiful 3-inch border in both sides that is done using copper zari. Excellent color combinations. Here we have a pink saree, dark magenta mixed with maroon to get a beautiful shade of pink here, dark pink. elegant color, and dark onion pink also we can call, with 3-inch border in both sides. The whole saree, the pallu as well as the blouse piece is in same concept, with the pallu tassels already. Beautiful one with authentic silk.